Secret of blood collection tube. Blood collection tube and GSMeditech. What is blood collection tube? It is used for collect blood to test blood, checking your health. Blood collection tube's structure is shown this image. Rubber cap, plastic cap, tube, gel, and additive chemicals inside of tube. This area is GSMeditech's doing. GSMeditech manufacturing and selling serum separation gel, blood clot activator, sodium citrate, glucose, EDTA-K2, EDTA-K3 and lithium heparin. Serum separation gel consists of acrylate copolymer. It is semi-clear gel. It makes barrier between serum and red cell of blood. It have still continued keeping its character after rubberization. GSMeditech's gel has advantages. After centrifugating blood, no oil floating on serum. Also no gel particle inside of serum. GSMeditech's blood clot activator. When blood testing, nurse collect blood sample and then clinical pathologist put the tube into centrifugal separator. While centrifugal separator is running, pre-spray blood clot activator makes effective blood clot for next blood test. Collaboration effect. This amazing test result shows GSMeditech's serum separation gel and blood clot activator. At the result of GSMeditech's product, no oil floating on serum, no gel particle inside and also no microclot found. But at market serum tube, you can see the red blood cell remains on serum, and serum is not good status. GSMeditech's all chemicals are proved its function by blood tube. And also certified ISO 19001:2015. Contact point is as shown on this page. Your query is always welcome. If you have any query of production of blood tube, please let us know. We always happy to help you. Thank you for watching.